Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Caper. So this is Look What I Found episode. I can't remember. I'll find out later on when I name the video. But I think it's like 22 or 23 maybe. I don't know. Yep. Doesn't matter. This week, haven't had a heap of time to noodle for whatever reason. But yeah, busy week. Therefore not as many results. But what I have found I'm fairly happy with, which is good. So did find some variety, and we'll go through and have a look at what I've actually kept. So starting at the back there, all the state coins. Managed to find two of the Western Australian coins. Nice condition, this one. They're not always in this sort of grade, but yeah, both of them in fairly good nick. Yeah, both Western Australian ones there. So yeah, I got two of those. I did find a South Australian one as well. Not in as good a condition, but still a keeper. Did alright in the 50-cent coin roll hunt. So I got three New South Wales ones. So if you're unfamiliar with these coins, these are all the 2001 Federation coins, and there is one for each state. And territory, as well as Norfolk Island. So they're all keepers. So this is a Victorian one, and yeah, obviously I've noticed a lot more new collectors coming on board based on your comments, and thanks for your comments. Yeah, just reading all the comments that you guys have written. This is the Western Australian one. So yesterday we put out the video for the 2,000 subscribers, and so it's been great to read all the comments that you guys have been feeding in on that. Thank you very much for all your kind words. So yeah, if you're new to the channel and new to collecting, they're certainly keepers. So we'll go through my dollar coin finds for the week. What do we got here? A 2019 A coin. I don't know how many of these to really keep. I'm only keeping them if they're in a nice condition. Yeah, I'm uncertain on it. From what I know, there'll be a million of each, but whether they will be highly collectible, I'm not sure. So an A and two U coins, and what else we got here? A 2014. I'm just keeping them. I've let them go in the past. Just over a million of these minted, so they're one of the low ones. And if you can find the 2014 Mob of Ruse, not the 100 Years of Anzac. The 100 Year of Anzac had a mintage of somewhere around the 24 million. But yeah, that one there is a million, just over a million, so worth keeping. Rabbit ear. So this is a 1994 rabbit ear. If you are unfamiliar with a rabbit ear is, let's point it out. We'll zoom in a bit, and grab my little pointer, and you can see up behind. Clean that. Yeah, a little cud there behind the kangaroo's ear, and we call them a rabbit ear, just because it makes it look a little bit different. But anyway, it's what we call it. So we got that one there, and we'll just stay there. And I found another nice big one there. You can see the size of that one up behind the ear there. That's a 1998 version. So yeah, nice big rabbit ear there. Nice big cud. So they're keepers as well. So if you see anything like that, or make sure you look out for those kind of things. This turned up in a dollar coin roll as well, so I probably lost out a little bit there. This is a 50-cent euro from 2002. I just keep them. I keep pretty much all the international coins that come through. I just collect them all. So this was another one. I didn't actually put it in the in here, but since we're talking about it, Papua New Guinea. This is a 5-cent from 1975. Some of these island coins and smaller nations have very low mintage coins. I don't know what it is for this one. I haven't looked it up, but yeah, they're worth hanging on to, and just do your research on them, because yeah, I don't know if they will ever be worth more than what their face value is, but yeah, interesting anyway. I just keep them all. I was very happy to find not one but two of the 2016 $1 changeover coins. It's a pity. These things really show their age very, very quickly. Yeah, they do tend to get banged up a fair bit and lose their shine. But these things here, with a mintage of around the 500,000, are going to be keepers no matter what. I've never sent one back. I've only ever kept them. I meant to do a count. I really want to do a count on how many I've actually pulled out of circulation, and it's not many. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Considering the amount of noodling I do, it's a very, very low hit rate. So I just kept a couple of these higher grade changeover coins, the 10-cent version. So I only keep them in really nice grade. I do have truckloads of those, as I do have plenty of these, but I do keep each and every one of these. And I'm still looking for the Alien Era coin. Make sure you check out my video on that. I'm actually in a competition with someone to find one. So Helena, I hope you haven't found one yet. But Helena is one of the admins on the Facebook group. So yeah, we're in a bit of a competition. The prize is merely just finding one. But if you haven't seen my Alien Era coin on this particular coin, go and check out my video. Yeah, hunting for one of those. So I do go through quite a few 5-cent coins at the moment. But still, I got 4 of those this week. So, and I did do a video on that in the past week as well. This was just a nice 66 that I pulled out this week. It was just the normally very dull looking coin, but this one's looks quite shiny. Yeah, so I just kept it. This was probably my find of the week, which was a U2000, and you can see that it is off center, and that causes that larger rim there, but it also makes it. I'll try and make it focus on the actual coin. You can see that it's got very little reading around the rim. You can just see it coming on there. I don't know if I can focus in on that a little bit further. There we go. So you can see there that it was out of the collar. So this is called a tilted collar, and essentially it is off center. So it's a broad strike, and these things are worth, well, hard to say, but possibly around that sort of $25 range. So a very good return for a 5-cent coin, and some of them can be a lot further off center than this one. But yeah, always happy to find this particular error. All right, we'll pop that one back. So really didn't do much in the way of $2 coins this week. Just found the one coloured coin this week, so which happened to be Gus from the Mr. Squiggles series. And the final coin, which is always my favourite, the 2011 10-cent coin. One found its way to me again this week. So just a little reminder, just to make sure you leave a comment on the video I put out last night for the 2,000 subscribers. Make sure you leave a comment and you'll be entered into the draw. Make sure you're a subscriber. Hit the bell. Each and every time a video comes up, you will be notified. So make sure you get on board to the group. If you're interested in the Facebook side of things, that has just ticked over 500 viewers, 500 members, and lots of show and tell. I am shocked by the number of mules that are turning up on that page. Congratulations, everyone. You guys are doing very, very well and getting greatly rewarded for the effort that you're putting in. Alright guys, that is it for today. Give it a thumbs up. Just show your appreciation for this video, and I will keep making them, but I appreciate all the comments and feedback. I do read each and every one of them. I don't get time to reply to them all, but if you see a like coming up on your comment, that means I have read it, and if I can, I will try and reply. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.